Welcome back to Learning with a Difference news headlines in English for 15th of October. And first of all, national news. Supreme Court adjourned plea for release filed by Rajiv Gandhi's assassin. Assembly elections 2022, Gujarat Himachal Pradesh election dates to be announced shortly. Supreme Court to examine electoral bond scheme for political funds on December 6. Gyanvapi case setback for Hindu side, no scientific prop of Shivling. Supreme Court ordered strengthen our hope. Pro hijab student. Chief Justice rescued from hearing B.S. Yediyurappa's plea in land case. Three Sikh recruits appeal to wear turbans, beards in US Marine Corps. A report said. And now some international news. New Balenciaga bag is a packet of Lay's chips, cost rupees 1.4 lakh. Artist Damien Hirst sets thousands of his paintings on fire on Instagram Live. Cannot fund Ukraine's Starlink internet indefinitely. Elon Musk. Russia ordered Crimea bridge repairs to be completed by July next year. Three Sikh recruited appeal to wear turbans, beards in US Marine Corps, a report said. UK's Royal Mail seek 10,000 job cuts, blames industrial action for losses. Now some sports news. Mohammad Shami replaced injured Jasprit Bumrah in India's T20 World Cup squad. BCCI could lose rupees 955 crore or if ICC doesn't get tax exemption from government for hosting 2023 World Cup, our report said. Liverpool can't afford to focus only on Erling Haaland, Jurgen Klopp. Fakhar Zaman added to Pakistan's 15-member T20 World Cup squad. 18-year-old Rudraksh Patil tops air rifle qualification. And Rudraksh Patil won World Championship, rallying from 4 to 10 down to beating Solazzo 17 to 13 in gold duel. FIH Nations Cup will provide us valuable game time. Neha Goyal. Pakistan beat New Zealand by 5 wickets in New Zealand Tri-Series final. And now news related to business. Sensex Nifty jumped over 1% on global stocks rally despite economic gloom. Rupee weakened only a touch to 82.41 as dollar takes a breather. And India's foreign exchange reserves rise for first time in over 2 months. India pushed refiners to diversify purchases after production cut by OPEC oil producers. Frozen parathas quite different from rotis to attract 18% GST tax. Adani Group said no plans to buy Prakash Associates cement unit. And wholesale price-based inflation eases to 10.70% in September from a year ago. Festival spending booms despite inflation worries global slowdown. Now news related to science and technology. Elon Musk said SpaceX cannot indefinitely fund Starlink internet service in Ukraine. 69% decline in wildlife populations worldwide since 1970. WWF reported. Tiny sea creature revealed secrets of immune evolution and a potential game changer for type 2 diabetics. New therapeutic target identified. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.